Everyone, welcome back. Today, Polestar teases new details about the electric SUV ahead of the October 12th launch. This will be Polestar's first SUV, and it is the Polestar 3. Now, Polestar's teased everything with a new image. Polestar will be live streaming this entire event. It's the Polestar 3 world premiere on the 12th of October 2022. Now, the event will be live streaming directly from Copenhagen. Thomas Ingelof, Polestar CEO, and Maximilian Missoni will present the SUV for the electric age to the world during our live stream event. This will all be broadcast on YouTube, so it's actually quite exciting. Now, unfortunately, I won't be able to attend the event in person, but I will be conducting my own live stream to the full event, reacting to everything that Polestar is unveiling on that particular day. Now, in more information on this vehicle, the electric performance brand third ever vehicle. A few things to be aware of is that the Polestar 3 will come standard with adaptive dual chamber air suspension and adaptive dampers. Now, additionally, the Polestar 3, the aptly named third vehicle from the Swedish EV company, will be officially unveiled October the 12th at an event in Copenhagen. The company announced ahead of its launch, Polestar is teasing a few new details about the all-electric SUV. The Polestar 3 marks Polestar's attempt to break into the highly competitive and highly lucrative SUV market in the US. When it does eventually come out, it will slot in the premium category, putting it in direct competition with EVs just like the Tesla Model X, the Audi e-tron, Mercedes-Benz EQE, Rivian R1S, Fisker Ocean, and of course, don't forget the Porsche Cayenne. Now, the Polestar will be assembled at Volvo factory in Charlottesville, that's in South Carolina, giving it the distinction of being the first company's EV that is made on US soil. The Polestar 3 seems like it will be another demonstration of the company's performance brand. It will come with a rear bias dual motor powertrain with electric torque vectoring via a dual clutch system on the rear electric motor. Adaptive dual chamber air suspension, active dampers will come standard, allowing the Polestar 3 to switch between comfort and firm suspension dynamic while adjusting to the road condition once every 2 milliseconds. Now, additionally, Polestar will offer optional performance pack, which provides the Polestar 3 with 510 horsepower and 671 pound-feet of torque, along with Polestar engineered chassis. Tuning for the active damper and air suspension, the Polestar 2 Performance Pack is included for an additional $5,500. And something even more amazing that I think the Polestar fans will really appreciate. Of course, this car will come with Polestar's signature Swedish gold details, as included in the valves cap, seat belts, and a laser-etched interior light strip. At launch, the Polestar 3 will come with a sport dual motor drivetrain and a large battery pack, with a range target of over 372 miles, that is 600 kilometers. In addition to be a higher riding vehicle than the Polestar 2 fastback sedan, the Polestar 3 will also include a partially autonomous driving system for highway driving. That'll be thanks to the inclusion of LiDAR sensors from suppliers Luminar, which is also providing components for hands-free driving to Volvo, as well as Nvidia, which provides the onboard computing hardware. Now, as for Volvo themselves, which jointly owns Polestar, along with its parent company Geely, has said that it will roll out hands-free highway driving features as part of the next big platform update, the stable product architecture, the SPA2, which arrives in the next generation EX90 SUV and the Polestar 3 in 2022. Now, Polestar went public this summer by merging with a special acquisition company, that was Guggenheim. That was with a SPAC merger. Now, the company is officially listed on NASDAQ under the ticker symbol PSNY, which I'm happy to say that we talk about PSNY on a regular basis. Now, previously, we're aware that Polestar only released 2 vehicles so far. That's the 155,000 hybrid coupe, that's the Polestar 1. Now, in addition to the Polestar 3, the company is also planning to release the compact SUV, that's the Polestar 4, it's more of a coupe SUV, in 2023, and the Polestar 5 Fastback, and the Polestar 5, the GT Fastback Sports Sedan in 2024. The company will also unveil a sleek roadster concept of the O2 vehicle. Now, the O2 has officially transitioned to the Polestar 6 and is planned to put this high-performance version of the Polestar 2 into limited production. The company also unveiled a sleek roadster concept called the Polestar O2, which will become the Polestar 6 officially in 2026. It will be in production. And Polestar is also planning on putting the high-performance version of the Polestar 2 into limited production. So that's actually quite exciting. Lots of exciting things with Polestar around the corner. So just to finish up this video, I will be live streaming my reaction to this full event and my thoughts and my feedbacks. Since I can't be at the event in person, it's might as well I do a full live stream for everyone on the YouTube channel for the support, that everyone who's subscribed to this YouTube channel is still supporting us, still watching our videos. Yes, this is the moment that we've been waiting for, to see the Polestar 3 world premiere unveil. And we're going to be there to witness it the moment it live stream on YouTube. And you'll get to see my fun reaction. So remember to join me on my YouTube channel at that time, 12th of October, starting at 6 o'clock UK time and 7 o'clock, I believe, Central Eastern Time. That is CEST. Not sure what that means, but I think it means Central Eastern Time. I could be wrong though. But nevertheless, it will be at 6 o'clock UK time. But for me personally, I will begin live streaming at least 30 minutes prior to the event, just to get everyone excited, just to get everyone start talking about the Polestar 3, and just to get us prepared for that unveil. So thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to see more. Leave a like, leave a comment, and of course, I will see you in our video.